Good morning, YouTubers. Today I will be reviewing the ZealSound USB condenser microphone. It's a fairly cheap microphone that I picked up at Amazon, and I'm actually using it right now to record it. This is going to be both an unboxing and just my general impressions of the mic. So you can see what is included in the package. So inside the package is the microphone, a pop filter, the stand, the manual, the micro USB cable, normal USB audio cable, audio splitter cable, and a micro USB to 3.5 millimeter connection. So this mic is basically used for general YouTube and gaming. It has an omnidirectional pickup pattern, so the computer mic is really good at picking up vocals from all directions, hence omnidirectional. It is plug and play. It is compatible both with Windows and Macintosh, and there's no software to install. The windscreen shield is used to block air blast and protect those P's and E's that could be made. So it just goes over there, and it has basically 3 switches, an on and off switch, and it has a echo on and off, and that's about it really with the mic. So if you can hear a sound test from here. So I'm speaking here, I'm turning the mic around, so you can hear that it's picking my voice from all directions. I'm gonna turn on the echo, so now you can hear me speaking. So this is when you want to put the echo effect. I'm not sure when you would want to put it, but maybe if you're doing some karaoke, you may want to put the echo, or you're doing some sort of like sound effects. But this is how it sounds like if it's echo. And I'm going to dial down the knob now. So this is when it's not echo, non-echo mode. Again, I'm going to raise the echo. So this is how it sounds like when it's echo, and I'm basically moving the mic around so that you can hear the difference between it. This is me speaking into the windshield, the windscreen shield, right? Or we call it pop filter. It's attachable. I'm gonna just turn off the echo so that doesn't sound too weird anymore. It is plug and play. I like kind of the packaging. So if you notice when I'm unboxing it, like all the cables are like kind of nicely like wrapped. The packaging is fairly nice there. It's pretty sturdy. Cabling is pretty good too. It's a bit short for the USB. I wish it was a little bit longer, like, but you can always get like an extension for it. So this is a fairly good microphone, I think. So far, just with this review, I would probably recommend it. For when I got this, it was only $25.99 Canadian, so it was on sale on Amazon. So you can probably pick it up for around this price, or even cheaper if it goes on sale again. But yeah, this is my review of the ZealSound condenser. Again, the model is k08-2, and you can pick it up right at Amazon. So if you like this review or any of my other reviews, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.